everyone, welcome back to Talk and Learn channel, the place where learning English feels just like chatting with a friend. I'm Emily.
And I'm Ryan. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here again. So, Emily, what are we talking about today?
Well, Ryan, today's topic is something everyone loves, talking about what you like to do.
Ah, hobbies. I love this topic because when we talk about what we like, we sound happy, natural, and confident.
Exactly. And this topic is super useful. You can use it when meeting new people, making friends, or even in job interviews.
That's right. So, if you've ever wanted to say, I like playing football, or I enjoy cooking in a natural way, this episode is for you.
All right, grab your coffee or tea, sit back, and let's talk about what you like to do. In English, coffee face with smiling eyes.
Okay, Emily, let's start simple. How do we say what we like in English?
That's easy. We use I like plus verb plus ing. For example, I like reading, I like cooking, I like swimming.
Ah, so not I like read, right?
Haha, no. That's a common mistake. We say reading, cooking, swimming. Always add ing.
Got it. So, Emily, what do you like to do?
I like reading novels and drinking coffee. What about you?
I like playing guitar and watching movies, especially action movies.
Nice. Do you play guitar every day?
Not every day. I usually play at night before sleeping. It helps me relax.
That sounds lovely. I usually read books in the evening too. It's my quiet time.
You know, this is how real conversations start. Just asking, what do you like to do?
Exactly. And you can add how often you do it, like I usually, I sometimes, or I never.
For example, I sometimes go jogging in the morning.
Oh, really? I never go jogging. Haha. I'm too lazy for that.
Haha, same here sometimes. But that's the fun part. You can be honest when you talk about what you like or don't like.
Now, if you want to say something stronger than I like, you can say, I love or I really enjoy. For example, I love listening to music. I really enjoy cooking for my family.
And if you don't like something, you just add don't. For example,
You just add don't. For example, I don't like spicy food. I don't like waking up early.
ooh, that's me. I don't like waking up early either.
Ha ha ha. I think everyone agrees with that one.
Let's try one more pattern, Emily. How about I'm really into?
Oh, yes, that's a great one. It means I really like something. For example, I'm really into photography. I'm really into learning English.
That sounds cool and natural. You can also say I'm crazy about when you love something a lot.
Yes, like I'm crazy about chocolate.
Haha, that's definitely you, Emily. What do you like to do on weekends?
I love visiting new cafes and trying desserts. Oh, nice. I like playing football with friends. Oh, nice. I like playing football with friends.